Hey everyone, welcome to the Anderson Bros Outdoors. I'm Jake, and today we're headed to a local crawling area, and we're going to run some mock gates in a Redcat Fusion and a Vanquish VRD, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back. As I said, my name is Jake, and today we're headed to a local spot called Lake Clinton, and it is at the spillway. They have a mixture of rock and concrete. It's a fantastic place to crawl. We're going to set up some mock gates and we're going to hit them. We are taking the Redcat Fusion and the Vanquish VRD Carbon kit. It is replaced with a Brazin scale chassis and hardcore links. I'm not really going to get into the build specs of each truck. I can do that in later videos. If that's something that you would like to see, just let me know in the comments. With that being said, we're going to jump in the footage and then we'll talk about some of the things that we think went right and wrong at the end. So enjoy. I think we hit the gate. We almost did. Two reverse. And we're back. So that was a quick run between both trucks. I was trying something new with the dual screen, split screen, whatever you want to call it. having one truck on one side, one truck on the other. It's really hard to do because, let's face it, you're not going to have the same exact run in each truck. I tried my best. Let me know in the comments if you liked it. If you liked it, I might continue to do it. If not, we'll go back to the original way where we do truck one and then truck two. We do have some notes from the runs. The first run being in the Redcat. It did really well, actually. I didn't think it was going to do as good as it did. I think we got 26 points with that truck. We hit 2 gates and had 6 reverses. And it did, overall, did really good. The downsides with that truck are the skid. I think that the breakover angle is not as good, but it is what it is. It does have a 0 degree angled skid, and for right out of the box, it is the cheaper truck, even with the Vanquish axles on it. It did really good for what it is. Now moving into the Vanquish struggled on 2 gates, and I hit 2 gates. I probably actually didn't hit the first gate, but it looked like I did from above, so I just called it. The gate didn't actually move. It is what it is. That's part of running. One of the reasons that it kept hanging up on the skid was because of this skid plate here. I didn't actually have the new one that I had designed to put in there. The trans I'm using is only using 3 holes, and this has an additional 3 holes on it. So I eliminated these, actually additional 4 holes, and I eliminated these additional 4 holes, and I kind of made it more accustomed to the frontline chassis. That'll be on our website if you want to download it and use it. The VRD did a lot better. You can see in the video that it has way better breakover angle. Both trucks weigh similarly in terms of weight distribution and tires. They're running the same tires and really the same weight distribution and overall weight itself. So it was very evenly matched. The Redcat's a chassis mounted servo, and then the Vanquish is a axle mounted servo. Let me know in the comments which one you think did the best. Obviously, the Vanquish costs a lot more than the Redcat, like I said, even with the Vanquish axles under it. But they're both really fun trucks. The Redcat doesn't have the climbability of the Vanquish, meaning that if you try and do any type of verticals with the Redcat, it doesn't really work as well because of the chassis mounted servo and some other things. The center of gravity a little higher than the Vanquish. So outside of that, running any truck is fun. I really enjoy it. I hope you enjoy it. Feel free to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel. Huge shout out to the community. Without you all, we wouldn't be here doing what we're doing. Huge shout out to the TABO club members. You guys are coming up next. And as always, we hope you have a great day.